Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. Thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel. Thank you for all the support you're giving me on my channel. I'd just like to give a special thank you to everyone who commented on my previous videos. It means a lot to me. You know, when I started this channel, I thought it was about me giving back to the community, because for me to get to where I am is because of people who were sharing their journey, giving positive content on YouTube about trading. That's the reason I got to where I am today. So I decided, you know what, since someone else helped me to get to where I am, maybe if I can share my journey, it could help one person, and that would be enough for me. But then I've actually realized that since starting this channel, it has actually been helping me more, maybe more than I thought it would, because it keeps me accountable. And at the same time, you know, some of your comments, the comments that you leave, they encourage me. And there are some comments that come, you know, when I am just feeling like, you know what, I am done, or I feel like, you know, I'm tired, I can't do this anymore. And someone just sends a comment, keep going, sister. You know, it's so encouraging, and it comes at the very right time. So thank you so much for that. I appreciate it. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to update you about what I've been up to this week. So last week, you remember, I was struggling with video number 9, episode number 9. So someone left a comment that, you know what, I also struggled with the same video, but it makes sense as you go on with the videos. So yes, I did watch it again, and then I went on, and it started making sense when I got to video number 10, because he now explains it in greater detail when we get to video number 10. So yeah, at least I managed to do that, and actually I got some concepts that I'm actually going to use in my trading plan from that. Yeah, and then I watched from video number 9, 10, 11, 12, and then I started feeling tired, like I can't do it anymore. But keep in mind, I've watched all the videos before. So this was me watching for a second time after trying to trade and seeing that there are some things that I missed. So I decided to just scan through some of them and then see which ones I really wanted to watch and take note of. So I think I can mention just after video number 12, I think I went to 17 and 18, where he now starts talking more about how to implement this into the Forex markets. Because the other thing that also happens is, if you keep watching from the first video up to, I think, 16, and you know, you're not getting it, or maybe the trading is not working out very well for you, you end up maybe changing your asset class, because you think, if I now start trading maybe the E-mini S&P, maybe it's going to work out better for me. So that was also something that was also happening to me. But I've got a very good friend of mine who kept on telling me to keep my head straight and just get what I came in to get out of this, because there's no way I'm going to learn everything that ICT knows. There's no way that I'm going to know everything. Just keep it simple and keep it, you know. So yeah, I've got a very good friend of mine who's been keeping my head straight. So yeah, I decided to stay with Forex. But then, you know, like when it's not working out, sometimes you feel like, you know, let me change, let me just trade what is trading. Maybe let me just jump to the 2023 mentorship and follow what he's doing and all that. But you need to realize that this guy has been trading for 30 years, so there's no way you're going to know everything that he knows. And there are some things that he's going to teach that you're not going to be able to understand, and that's okay. So yeah, finally, after watching all the videos that I spoke about, I watched all of them, like just going through them. But then these ones that I've mentioned specifically are the ones that I took more time with. Okay, so after that, I realized that, you know what, for me to learn faster, I need to get on the charts and do something. So what I did is, since Monday, I've been marking my charts to see the daily bias, and then at the end of the day, I see if I'm correct or if I'm wrong. So my daily bias, I get it based on video 40. So yeah, I've been marking my charts, and then I'll see where I went wrong, until I got to a point where I started realizing that I'm starting to understand this daily bias, right? And then also, I wanted to also understand the points of interest, because the other thing also that didn't quite work out for me when I started trading this before was the fact that I was putting too much emphasis on the entry time frame, you see. But then, yes, the entry time frame is important, but then you're also supposed to understand your directional bias. You're also supposed to understand your points of interest. Then the entry technique works, because you can't just enter from nowhere. So you need to put more focus on on your overall picture, and then you can work on an entry technique. The entry technique is not that important as much as knowing the direction where you're supposed to be going and where potentially the entry is going to be. That's your point of interest. So before, my point of interest time frame was the 1 hour, but to be sincere, the 1 hour is not my cup of coffee. I've been trading the 15-minute for a very long time, and I understand it better. So I've switched from 1 hour to 15-minute, and I've realized that I'm kind of starting to see the points of interest more easily. So yeah, so now the time frames I'm going to be using are the 5-minute, 15-minute, and the daily. That's it. And also, I'm only going to be trading the Euro USD, because mostly I want to trade the London Open, and I only want to take 2 trades a day. So if I don't get an entry in the London Open, and maybe I can see that it's going to develop in New York, maybe I might enter in New York kill zone. But mostly I want to be entering my trades in the London kill zone. And also, yeah, that's those some of the rules that I've given myself. So it's going to be 1 pair, 2 entries a day, 1 session. But on those off days where you can see that, yeah, it's still developing, it's gonna move, like today, my entry only happened in New York, so I would have entered in New York if I was trading, but I'm not trading. I was just watching the chart. So, but throughout the week, I think I saw entries every day in London session. So I think I'm cool with 1 session. So it's going to be 1 session, 1 pair. The entry time frame is going to be the 5-minute. If I want to refine my entries, I'm going to use the OB. I'm not going to go down to the 1 minute, because that time frame stresses me out. So yeah, so basically I want to keep it very simple and keep it straight. So yeah, that's basically what I've done. The thing that helped me to come up with my strategy was also that on top of studying, I was now also demo trading and watching the charts more. So that also helped me, because I could easily pick out where my mistakes are and what I need to tweak and all that. So now that I've got my trading plan ready, and I'm very excited about that, by the way, I got my trading plan ready. I am going to now start testing it. So I bought the Forex Tester 5. So I still need to kind of figure out how it works, get comfortable with the software, and then I'm going to start testing it. So I'm going to make a video showing you exactly what my trading plan that I have settled on is all about. So I'm going to do that maybe around next week or so, but I still need to learn the software on how I'm going to do it. And then I also need to, I'm going to start back testing, right? So that I can see if the trading plan works. If it works out, then we are going to go live with it. I don't want to waste time going on the demo. So we're going to go live with it, and I'm going to be sharing each and every part of that. So yeah, so basically the things that helped me this week to get back into my momentum was the fact that I started doing my daily goal setting like I used to before. So at the end of the day, I'll sit down and set my goals for the next day, and then at the end of the day, I'm going to tick off my goals. Also getting back into the charts also helped me, because being off the charts just makes me get bored. So it also helped me, but I didn't go straight to the live trading. I was just watching the charts and doing demo trading. So that helped me quite a lot, so that I could see where I would have entered and stuff like that. So that helped me quite a bit. what else did help me? I didn't get to reading the book that I said I'm going to read, but I'm going to get to it. I did reduce my time on the Blue app, but I didn't delete it. But I did reduce my time on it. Yeah, so basically, yeah, that's basically what I've been up to this week. So, yeah, the other thing that also I think helped me quite a lot is I do have times that I do my devotions, but it's not like I was like strictly every day before I sit on the charts. I have to have my time to read my Bible and pray. We always do it as a family at night, but then sometimes in the mornings I'll just pray quickly and get to what I need to do and stuff like that. So now I've actually committed to giving myself enough time to sit down and meditate in prayer, because I'm a Christian, and meditate on the word before I sit down. And it has also helped me to keep my head together. And I've also started going for therapy. It's quite a lot. It's I went yesterday. It drains you, like it's a lot of work, but then it's kind of like a load is lifted, like when you go through the process. So I'm still going through that. I'll be doing that. I think I'll be doing that every week. So yeah, that's also something that I'm doing. So yeah, if you've watched all the way to the end, thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a comment down below. Tell me about how you managed to keep your momentum, what's going on in your trading, how is your trading plan, all those things. I would like to know that. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. So yeah, stay strong, stay focused. Thank you.